We're gonna learn in this video how we can install the Scarlet for iPhone. Launch your Safari and you're gonna go to this website here, usescarlet.com. Scroll down on this website and you're gonna reach here to get Scarlet. We've got here install button and below the button is written that is signed. Sometimes it might show that it's revoked, just like this here, but it doesn't matter. If you haven't installed Scarlet from this website previously, then it's gonna work. So tap on install button here and tap on direct install. Wait for some time. Tap on open. You'll get an install option here. Tap on install and you're gonna go to home screen to check the progress, and it's here. So it's been installed. Let's bring this to home screen and it's on home screen. If you try to open it, it doesn't open. We're gonna have to trust the enterprise developer in the settings. Go to settings of iPhone, scroll down on the settings page, go to general and scroll down here, go to VPN, DNS and device management, and you'll find one enterprise app section at the bottom. Tap here and trust this enterprise developer. Trust. Once it's been trusted, let's go back to home screen and launch Scarlet. So now we've got the Scarlet. You can long tap on this icon at the top right side and there's lots of things that you can do like sideload IPA, modify IPA, add the repo, etc. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.